Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a template in Google Docs. To create a template, go to your Google Drive. Then click on the New button on the left hand side. Navigate to the Google Docs option in the menu and select From a Template. Choose the desired template from the available options, which you can customize according to your preference. Once you have finished editing the template, go to the File menu and click on Make a Copy. In the dialog box that appears, provide a name for your template. Next, select the template folder and click Make a Copy. You will see your edited document open in a new tab, which now serves as your template. Return to your Google Drive and open the Templates folder, where you will find your newly created template. You can now use this template to make copies for various purposes. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.